Unfortunately, we really have no time whatsoever to actually do any organizing. We have pranks to pull, fingerprint scanning, bada bing, bada boom. So sick. Okay, so not the Lambo, not the Bugatti, we need the Shelby. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another gorgeous day here in Salt Lake City, Utah. So baby Burlacker, my voice just squeaked, it's quite early. He flew off to Albuquerque, New Mexico yesterday. I begged him, I pleaded with him that we could store temporarily his Shelby GT350. Obviously, we have other ideas. This is not a prank channel per se, but the pranks begin right now. Last week, after living with Burlacker for 5 years, I moved out to my own place right here. During those 5 years, I never pulled one single prank, and now that we're gone, we're gonna fly high to the sky. Burlacker's not a normal guy, and so a couple days ago, I dropped off the Mustang off at Makes and Models, and they made what you might say some minor modifications. Yes, minor. Now, Burlacker's one of my very best friends. I worked for him for a couple years. I lived with him for 5 years, and I want to show him some appreciation, some gratitude for all that he's done for me these last 7 years. And so Burlacker's always wanted a Lamborghini, but Mustangs have always been his favorite cars. So what if we created some synergy and we combined the two? He's always wanted a Lamborghini. I did what I thought was the right thing to do. I'm a little bit nervous. I've never actually seen Burlacker mad. We put Lamborghini doors on his Shelby. It looks cool, okay? It does. It genuinely is amazing. It's so cool. It's a Lamborghini and a Mustang in one. We could stare at the Lambo doors, honestly, all day long. Once you put your eyes on them, you cannot take your eyes off of them, but we have other pranks to pull. So my other neighbor, Johnny Sharp, he's got that A91 edition Toyota Supra. It sounds like a dying vacuum cleaner. It is so embarrassingly quiet. We gotta turn up the decibels. So that FI exhaust, the frequency intelligence exhaust, I'm gonna secretly install that on his Supra. So somehow we gotta steal his Supra, add the exhaust, and then surprise him and Burlacker simultaneously. These Mustang Lambo doors are absolutely massive, so you basically just drop the door all the way to the 90 and then bada bing bada boom. I just texted Johnny, I was like, hey bro, you want to swap the GTR for the Supra for the day? He said yes. He's always wanted the GTR. I knew I could use it to my advantage. I'll take good care of her, I promise. Seriously? I promise, I'm giving you my GTR.
Ooh,
she's
I'll take it.
Kind of.
What do you mean?
Well, she has some issues. Give me.
Explain issues.
Ooh, that's a cool key.
What's
case.
Issues to
that
Jane?
is...
No, that's the ugliest key ever.
Well, so I ran out of time.
Have you ever received a Christmas present that was half wrapped? I wrapped mine in tinfoil, and this is worse.
This is not that bad, okay? But if you get bored, have at it. So this is a cold startup on a 2021 A91 edition Supra. Like I said, Johnny, what did you do to this car? It sounds worse than stock. I don't know if this is a very fair trade. It sounds like a dying lawnmower, a dead vacuum cleaner.
Stock?
Okay, whoa. Oh, good. That you were legit.
I know.
He's a crazy man. The Supra looks so clean, so fresh, and the GTR kind of looks, well, I know, it gets worse on the back end of the car.
It's got 600 horsepower. That's
I did this by design. You're going to be embarrassed to drive the car. I also left it on empty. Sorry, bro. You got a full tank, right?
Yeah.
Just keep working, bro. I appreciate
you left a piece of your car. Seriously.
You can, yeah, just have fun. Get Henry, get the kids to start tearing it off.
Yeah, we'll just, good.
It'd be a Saturday activity with Dad.
Good family activity.
Yep, you're welcome.
Peeling the scabs off the car.
You're welcome. And just like that, Supra obtained. Check this out. Oh yes. There's no day quite like FI exhaust. Get it, Oscar. Get it, bud. So we have the full Valvetronic FI exhaust for the Toyota Supra. I even got the remote to match Johnny's color to perfection. Check this out. I'm telling you guys, like, nobody does it better than FI. I'm not gonna unwrap all of this right now, but the exhaust tips are always the fan favorite, so wait for it, come on. Oh yes, check that out. The black titanium exhaust tip. That is so girthy. Oscar, look at that, bud. Look at that. Goodness, Oscar, you're so cute, bud. He's literally the cutest puppy in the entire world. I love you so much. The funniest part of this whole scenario, Johnny knows about Burlacker's Lambo doors, and Burlacker knows about Johnny's exhaust. So when I invite Burlacker over, he's thinking he's here to see Johnny's reaction and vice versa. I think that makes sense, right? Right, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense, yeah. Johnny's coming for Burlacker and Burlacker's coming for Johnny, but Burlacker's actually coming for Burlacker and Johnny's actually coming for Johnny. Yeah. Now we could chit chat all day long, but we have an exhaust to install on that Supra. Now I'm not gonna be doing it myself. My buddy Casey, he's the professional. And hit it. This car is so fast though. I miss my Supra so much, but the sound, not very good. Kind of get some crackles right there, sort of. Not really, kind of. And yes, if you guys are wondering, I still do own the McLaren 12C. I still own the Model 3. That car is being sold next week though. Now obviously the last thing we want is a prank gone bad, so I'm not gonna install, well, I'm gonna help install the exhaust, but we hired a professional. Casey's gonna do the install. This one's not really a prank. Burlacker is definitely a prank. This is more like helping a homie out. As Casey just said, this is a James Pempier ride. It really is. My friends need help. Oh, we just lost power. Look at these baby little exhaust tips. We are moving on up, making upgrades for Johnny Sharp. Check out the difference. This black titanium is so sick. It took me like 4 seconds to unwrap this exhaust, and I look up and Casey's already removed the factory exhaust. This exhaust is so cool though. Number 99 Toyota Supra. This is gonna sound so good on Johnny's car. This new exhaust is looking so prime right now. Johnny is not gonna know what's gonna hit him. This car is gonna sound so good. This is the same exhaust that I had on my Toyota Supra about a year ago. It's funny because most of the neighbors were really excited when I moved out because all the loud cars left the neighborhood. So what do? I install a loud exhaust on Johnny's car. They can't get away from the noise. And you guys think I'm an idiot. Oscar buddy. It's such a shame, like this exhaust looks so money, but unfortunately, obviously once we drop the car down, we're never gonna see it. Serial number 099. So without further ado, this is a proper cold startup on a frequency intelligence exhaust. Toyota Supra. Oscar's gonna go in for the help. So much better. Johnny, you have no idea what's headed your way. Crackles are insane. Johnny's gonna be so excited. I think it might be more fun to mod my friends' cars than it is my own. A quick baby downshift sounds so good. I gotta admit, like, this makes me miss my Supra so much because my car had the exact same FI exhaust, same sound, the crackles, everything about this car. I miss my Supra. I love just letting off on the throttle. The crackles are crazy. I'm telling you guys, like an FI exhaust on your Toyota Supra completely changes everything. We have a slight change of plans. I can't get a hold of Johnny. I don't know what happened to Johnny. If you find Johnny, call me or send me a DM because nobody can find Johnny. So Burlacker is en route. I've decided kind of a sort of change of plan. So Burlacker just bought a smart car. I'm gonna try to make him think I also bought a smart car. And then when we open up the garage, he'll see the Mustang with the Lambo doors. So, yeah. This guy. Oh, bro. That is totally your... Oh, my gosh.
Whoa. Hey.
Bro, welcome back from New Mexico. How was Albuquerque, Turkey?
It was nice. Santa Fe, too.
I just got off the phone with your wife. It sounds like you're in a bad mood. And you might be in a slightly worse mood soon. I might have bought some. I might have bought something. I might have bought... Whoa, hey. Oh, you're like on point.
I know.
The hat matches the bug also.
Merch link below?
Yeah, sure, why not? Why not? This smart car looks so dumb, by the way. And when I say dumb, amazingly awesome.
How are your new neighbors?
They're good. Well, this is kind of sort of a pre-run right now. Kind of sort of a test. It's a little bit late. It's 8 p.m.
Did you say it was frequency intelligence?
Frequency intelligence.
FI. Whoa.
Isn't that nice? That's not bad. That's so good. Man. The new... Whoa. I think that's enough. Okay. Shut her down. Shut her down. Okay. The new neighbors are not going to be pleased. That sounds so good, though.
I do have to say this, though. He's still my neighbor. You left.
Right.
And now you're making my neighbor's
I actually was saying that. I was saying how the neighbors finally got rid of me in my loud cars, so what do?
You're
I make,
making up.
yep.
Yeah.
The look on Burlacker's face when he took delivery of this smart car, I just had to be a part of it. Look at that thing, it's just shaking and baking. I don't want to steal your thunder. I'm not here to steal your thunder, but at the same time, one smart car is cool, but two smart cars is even cooler, I would reckon.
What car?
I'm
Did you
just
get
saying,
the
I'm just
purple
saying.
one?
Whoa, wait.
Okay, that's my Shelby.
Wait a second. Huh. Wait a second. Oh, wait, what is that? Are you, don't die. It looks amazing.
Have
It
you already
does.
showed them?
Yeah,
Oh
they've
my
obviously
gosh,
seen it. Yeah,
wow.
they saw.
I don't know if that's like the coolest thing or the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Welcome to the club, bro. I know you've always wanted a Lamborghini. I went back and forth. I was gonna buy you a Lamborghini, but I just decided this was the cheaper option. So this is what we did.
You know, a cheaper and better option. I'd rather have this than, okay, I mean, I wouldn't mind a Lamborghini, but this is.
Honestly, it's pretty cool.
Wait.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
I was only gone a couple days. You did this while I was gone.
Well, I didn't do it. Makes some models did it.
Okay.
I mean, I dropped it off. Just have a man basking in the glory. Okay, so you're not mad. You're not mad. Can we get that on
course not.
camera? You're not mad.
No, officially, on camera, off camera, I'm not mad. It's pretty cool. In a weird sort of like.
It's amazing looking. The doors are massive. It's actually really, really cool. Now, that being said, if at some point you need to convert it back to stock,
Okay.
I will pay for that.
Oh.
So, just saying, I'm just saying.
That's
I'm
how.
just saying.
That's how a prank is done.
Exactly.
You reverse it if yes. Anyway.
So when that happens, I'll pay the bill and we'll reverse it. That being said, there are a couple items that are slightly irreversible, but
Okay.
we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna worry about it.
I do want to say this though. I want to keep this car like lifetime forever. This
Right.
is a staple car.
Right.
Could you imagine in 2050 rolling up with a 42-year-old Shelby GT350 with Lambo doors?
This guy's Lambo doors are so tall, he can't even pull it out of the garage. This is Burlacker going to car shows in the future. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, look at this guy with his Mustang with the Lambo doors.
It's not my fault. I didn't do it.
You gotta admit, that looks amazing. I know there's the purists that are gonna hate it. Yeah. But honestly, when Burlacker shows up to car shows, he's gonna get more attention than the bug.
Look how easy that was.
Bro,
to
that-
pump straight out.
That was actually seamless. That was amazing. The two cars together look amazing now.
Have we already done 5 things the Shelby's better at than the?
Oh, here we go. Now you got 6. You got the doors.
Yes.
If today's video gets 400, no, that's too low. 1.8 million likes, we'll put Lambo doors on the Bugatti, so be sure to smash that like button. Well, I think on that bombshell, today's video for today is over. And what I mean by that, tomorrow we're gonna go over to Johnny's house, theoretically return his Supra. I'm gonna get my GTR back and maybe get his reaction. Unless he's in Tijuana. I don't know where he is. We have no, like I texted him like 2 hours ago. We knocked on his door. He's nowhere to be found. So I'll see you guys in the morning.